see it differently.
DJ, make it hot like
counterfeit. Guess it from the thought of it. People fake, think they need to start a kid. Tryna be real, this right here to start a kid. Pick the grind, look like I just started it. Counterfeit, guess it from the thought of it. People fake, think they need to start a kid. Tryna be real, this right here to start a kid. Pick the grind, look like I just started it. Roll one, if your dog hold you down, do not take it for granted. Get a credit out if it's both of you that planned it. If you got some bread, they should not be empty-handed. If your homie winning, then you winning, understand it. Rule two, don't compare yourself to anybody else. These days, people wanna be anyone but themselves. All that picture posting and fake boasting really doesn't help. Push it to the side and make sure you focus on yourself. But sometimes it get hard. I just keep on working till we make it out. Oh yeah. Look, cold nights at the condo remind me of the old nights. Living a reality I waited on my whole life. 2013, a young boy learned to roll dice. Bet it all on myself and never sold rights. They got their hands out, but they don't get no slice. I could be polite one time, but don't get told twice. I make highlights, she hit the low lights. I only let fast girls in the studio on slow nights. So they ain't really there on no nights. People telling fairy tales, girls on that Snow White. Bring it to the Met, really show her what the snow like. Look at this LA girl now, it's a cold life I live. My shit clean, your shit on lean. The money that's slow, then that shit the wrong thing. El Capitan, I ain't picked the wrong team. Like I picked off the pass, boy, I'm seeing all green. Hella straight, get to work, then I delegate. They come back with the money and we celebrate. Get the spot, then I renovate. Take over the whole floor, then we elevate. Till the whole team hella straight with it. See my boys shine and they jealous. I get mine with the fellas.
You ain't never gonna catch me. You ain't never gonna catch me. Living my life on the dash, never look back. Try, but you're never gonna catch me. You ain't never gonna catch me. You ain't never gonna catch me. Treat every night like my last, never look back. Try, but you're never gonna catch me. You ain't never gonna catch me. Never gonna catch me, never gonna match me. You ain't never gonna catch me. Fleeing to see while we cruise in the back street. You ain't never gonna catch me. Sipping some goose, gonna moose in the backseat. You ain't never gonna catch me. You ain't never gonna catch me. Yeah, I'm shooting the shit with my new chick. These bottles pouring my crew rich, but I've done it before, I ain't new to this. Put my soul in the shit cause the shoe fits and I'm proving it. Doing the most, I'm pursuing it. Fluent, the juice is the fluid. I swear if I jump I can fly. Haters will plummet, the summit is where I reside. Ride with a motherfucker, die with a motherfucker, chillin' in the whip, getting high with a motherfucker. Never eating if my tribe got a suffer, got a star for the come up, no regard for the run up. Feeling like a winner inside, but hard as summer. One up anyone who decide they wanna gun up. Get it how I live it, never faking the funk. Chase it if it's got what you want, real shit. Focus on living luxurious, hoping I'm worthy for certain, I'm toiling now. I was just a man with a plan of a foiling, hotter than lava that's boiling down. When the breeze feel nice, I'm freezing inside. Can it be just right? Here's a reason to grind. Traded a piece of my mind for a piece of the pie. Now we fine, dine. You ain't never gonna catch me.
Turn it on.